In this lesson, I will explain to you accessing lists. Accessing lists by using index. Now, what is the meaning of this? Here I have written some information for you. First, I will read, then I will show you with the help of few examples. So, counting like a computer. To access a list, we need to count like a computer, and that means starting with 0. Keep in mind that index always we have to start by 0. Lists give an index number to each list item. First element in the list is 0, second element 1, and so on. To access the first item in the list, use the list name followed by the square brackets containing the index number. Whatever I have written here, I will show you with the help of example, then it will be much more clear to you. As we have discussed earlier, that always you have to write down the items separated by comma and enclosed in the square bracket. It is the definition of the index. In the last lesson, I told you that we can retrieve all the list item, but here we are going to discuss if you want to retrieve only one item. Yes, we can do by applying the concept of index. And keep in mind, if we count the items from left to right, always you have to start by 0, 0, 1, 2, and so on. But if you count the index from right to left, you have to start by -1, -2, -3, and so on. So if you want to print the first item of this list, if I will ask you, if I will run it, what should be the output? Please do not say gas, because index always you have to start with 0, 0, 1. So Michael Kor, you will get the output. See Michael Kor. Here exact same scenario is there, but what is the difference? I will show you. Here I have used the word print, and here I did not use the word print, but the output is same. What is the difference? If you will use the word print, the output will be not in the quotation. Without the print function, your output will be in the quotation. Right? I repeat these things again and again. In this way you will learn more. Okay, the other example is, here I have made 2 times print statement, so you can understand that it is not necessary that always you have to write down one print statement. You can write down 2, 3 according to your programming. So here I said print brand names. This is my literal or string. It will print, and I want to know the type. So see, if I say what is the type of these items, this brand underscore names variable. So again, please do not say string. This is the list, because all items are enclosed in the square bracket and separated by comma. And here I want to print 4. Positive 4 means from left to right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So our output will be Fendi. And here is my first print output. This is my second, and the class is list. Type means class is list. In the next example, I have made 4 print statements. If you want to retrieve what is in the 0 level, second, -1, and 4, when I will run it, then I will show you what is the output and what is the meaning of these outputs. So at the 0 level means gas. Gas is the first item on the list, right? Because here I have set some literals or strings. If you want, you can delete it. Only it will give you the name of the items. But if you want to add, just after comma, write down, and then you have to put the parenthesis. Okay, and then third is coach, and here these two are same. See, this is -1. Negative means you have to count from right to left, so Fendi. If you will start from left to right, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, positive 4 is also Fendi, -1 is also Fendi, only to show you that these two are same. Yes, you can retrieve 2 or 3 or 4 together. Right, one more example here. Again, if you want to add some literal, so print brand underscore name. This is the variable we want to retrieve number 1, which is Michael Kor. And see, this is positive. It means you have to count from left to right. This is negative, means you have to count from right to left. So this one is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. So minus 4 is Michael Kor. If we count from here 0, 1, positive 1, both are same. That is why I said is same. So when I will run it, this one, you will see Michael Kor is same as index minus 4 Michael Kor. Okay, the last example is here I have made my variable test underscore marks, and yes, you can also add your list item. So test underscore marks, suppose if I want to add this one because this is at 0, then 2, 1 to 89 and then 99. So the total will be 288. Again, this is my string or literal. If you want, you can delete it. Only you will get the answer 288. So it means not only 3 items you can add. If you have 100 items, you can add 100 items, you can 90 items or 40 items according to your choice. Now this is your practice homework, that here I have add 0, 2 and 4. You have to add all 5, then 3 and then 2. In this way you will learn more. So please play with it, practice it. See you in the next lesson and thank you.